Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence to avoid repetition and makes sentences clearer. 1. Personal pronouns. 2. Possessive pronouns. 3. Reflexive pronouns. 4. Demonstrative pronouns. 5. Interrogative pronouns. 6. Relative pronouns. 7. Indefinite pronouns. 8. Distributive pronouns. 9. Reciprocal pronouns. 1. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to specific people or things and change form based on number, singular/plural, person, first, second, third, and case, subject/object. Person, subject pronoun, object pronoun, first person singular, second person singular, you, third person singular, she, it, him, her, it, first person plural, second person plural, you, third person plural, they, them. Examples. She is my best friend. She replaces a name. I saw him at the store. Him replaces a person's name. 2. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. Pronoun. Used alone. Used before a noun. Possessive adjective. Mine. My book. Yours. Your bag. His car. Hers. Her dress. Its tail. Ours. Our house. Theirs. Their room. Examples. This bag is mine. That is their dog. 3. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. They end in self, singular, or selves, plural. Singular, plural, myself, ourselves, yourself, yourselves, himself, themselves, herself, themselves, itself. Examples. I hurt myself while cooking. They did it themselves. 4. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things. Singular, plural, this, these, that, those. Examples. This is my phone. Those are my shoes. 5. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Pronoun. Usage. Who refers to a person, subject. Whom refers to a person, object. Whose asks about possession. What asks about things or information. Which asks about a choice. Examples. Who called you? Whose bag is this? 6. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns introduce relative clauses and connect them to the main sentence. Pronoun. Usage. Who refers to people, subject. Whom refers to people, object. Whose shows possession. Which refers to things. That refers to people or things. Examples. The boy who won the race is my friend. This is the book that I borrowed. 7. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to people, places, or things in a general way. Singular, plural, both. Anyone, both. All, someone, few, some. Nobody, many, none. Everybody, several, most. Examples. Someone is at the door. Many people like ice cream. 8. Distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns refer to people or things individually rather than as a group. Pronoun, meaning each, every individual separately, either, one of two, neither, none of the two. Examples. Each student must bring their book. Neither answer is correct. 9. Reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns show a mutual action or relationship. Pronoun. Usage. Each other. For two people. One another. For more than two. Examples. The two friends helped each other. The team members congratulated one another. Learn and improve English channel. Thanks for watching.